So you already have a Sitefinity project where you created pages, added content, used styles, and explored some of the built-in functionality. Now you might be wondering how Sitefinity helps you better understand and interact with your audience and make their digital experiences meaningful. To get your answer, continue watching this video and learn more about Sitefinity's Digital Experience Cloud platform and its connector, which provides seamless integration with your Sitefinity websites. Sitefinity Digital Experience Cloud, or DEC for short, helps organizations collect data from websites and other channels, merges visitor interaction histories across multiple data sources, and provides data-driven insights to optimize the end-to-end customer experience. With DEC, you collect visitor data for both anonymous visitors and known contacts, and then use this data to build the profiles of your desired audience, the personas. Once you have enough data, you can also devise a scoring model to identify which visitors are closer to convert and more likely to purchase, and those are your leads to pass along to sales. Going back to your content, with DEC you can understand the value of your content and measure how and whether it affects the interactions your visitors have with your website. All these rich data sets are stored within DEC in dedicated data centers that logically and physically separate the data based on what you're measuring, what your goals are, and what reports you may need. To make this process as simple as possible, Sitefinity provides a built-in connector, which is the actual bridge between Sitefinity and DEC. It tracks a range of visitor activities, such as page visits, form submissions, file downloads, and much more, all of it without the need for any extra coding. With the help of the connector, you can do A/B tests and get reports of their performance, and personalize the content and layout of your site based on data-driven and behavior-driven audience characteristics. To try DEC, you'll need a dedicated account and data center to store your data. To get started, contact our sales team and let them know you'd like to try out Sitefinity Digital Experience Cloud. Now, let's set up the connector. To do so, navigate to the Connectivity section of the Administration menu and click on Digital Experience Cloud. You'll need an access key to authenticate and connect to DEC. You get your key from the actual DEC web app. Open dec.sitefinity.com in your browser and click on Administration. In the Access and Security section, click on Access Keys and generate a new access key. You'll need to give it a name so you can distinguish it from other keys for other connections. In this case, let's call it Sitefinity Demo Site. Next, you can choose whether to use this key to grant access only to selected data centers or to all that are available. Once you click Generate, the key will be displayed on the screen. Make sure to copy the value, because once you close this window, you won't be able to see it again. Time to go back to Sitefinity and paste the key. Sitefinity is now connected to the Digital Experience Cloud. Next, let's configure the tracking capabilities, the actual mechanism for gathering data from Sitefinity. Click on Set Your Tracking. You'll be prompted to select which sites to track and in which data center to store their data. The common scenario is when the sites share the same audiences, you collect the data in the same DEC data center. So let's select that option. That's it. DEC is connected, configured, and already tracking all visitor activities and securely storing the data in a dedicated data center. All the reports and metrics are available for you to explore and analyze in DEC, giving you insights on how to better optimize the effectiveness of your content. If you want to track something special like interactions from another channel, for example a mobile app or non-Sitefinity site, DEC has you covered. With its powerful SDKs, you can further customize and enhance the tracking capabilities based on your scenario. The next steps you can take are to go to DEC and create your first personas and lead scoring types so you can try out how they're utilized in the Sitefinity personalization module as DEC characteristics. Don't forget to check the A/B testing feature and the reports it generates in DEC. Thank you.